Hi everyone. So in the last video we looked into how to create a vector or a matrix. Now what we want to look into now is how we could actually select one element or more elements from that vector. So let's jump on the code. What we're going to do, we're going to first import our libraries. So import numpy as np. Then what we're going to do, we're going to create a row vector. So we're going to say vector equals np dot array, and then we're going to create an array. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then what we're going to do, we're going to create a matrix as well. So we're going to say matrix equals np dot array. So remember, if you want to create a matrix, you need to have so we could create in column and rows. So we're going to say 1, 2, 3. Then we're going to say comma. We can do space. We can do enter here, and then say. So I made a mistake. I put 3 here. Let's put that 3, and then make that 4, 5, 6, and then again comma. And then put that as 7, 8, 9. Okay, now we can actually run this. So again, shift enter. Yeah, our code ran very fine. Now if we want to select element from a vector, remember in Python everything starts from 0, 1, 2, 3. So if you want to say, for example, select the second item from the vector, we can say vector, then 2, and shift enter, you get 3, because 0, 0, 1, 2, 3. So 3 is our second element in that vector. Now if we want to select a row, select the second row or column from second column from the matrix, we can do matrix 1 and 1. So this becomes the second element. So when we run this, we should get 5. Great. Now, if we want to select all the elements of vector, we can say vector, and that should bring, and if you do shift enter, that should bring everything that we actually inputted as for that vector. Or if you want to select everything up to and including the third element, we can say vector 3. So up to third element, if we run that, we say 1, 2, 3, we missed the 4. If we say select everything after the third element, we can say vector 3, and then we leave it as that, and we run it, and we should get only 4. Correct. And so you kind of get the concept of how we can select different elements within the matrix and within the vector. To do the same thing, you can do the same thing with matrix. So you can say matrix. You can then say, okay, give me all the way everything up to 2 and everything afterwards. So if we run this, what we should be getting is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we miss the last matrix, which is 7, 9, 8, 9. Oh, so that hopefully could give you some idea of how we could actually create different elements within a vector and matrix. In the next video, we will discuss, how discuss more on this and do a bit of a more element selection from vector and matrix. Thanks for watching, and I will catch up with you guys again